so much of your time spent behind the wheel, you need a tractor that's in it for the long haul. One that gives you more comfort and control over the wheel, with less effort to maintain control when going from point A to point B. So when we set out to develop our new steering system for the 7R, we went out to where the rubber meets the road, and to environments you face every day. Introducing new steering updates, now available on 7R tractors. The first thing you'll notice with these updates is the larger steering cylinder. This provides increased steering capacity, making it easier to turn the front wheels in any condition, or for those tractors with larger front tires. You'll notice how easy it is to turn whether you're sitting still, running at low speeds, or using heavy front-mounted implements. And for those of you that do a lot of transport work, our new reactive steering option provides better handling, giving you more comfort and control over the open road.
When you enter the cab in this tractor and feel the new steering system, you're going to feel a very nimble and light steering wheel feel.
To engage reactive steering, simply press the soft key located on the integrated display. You'll notice the improvement in steering responsiveness during transport when holding a straight line. You'll feel more confident when navigating curves on the open road.
So when you're turning the corner, the steering wheel is automatically going to want to return to center just like an on-road vehicle.
So whether you spend the majority of your day hauling forage or transporting implements on the road, our new reactive steering provides you more control with less effort in going from point A to point B. Talk to your John Deere dealer about the new 7R steering updates or visit us at johndeere.com.